Good morning to everyone.
Good morning,
Good morning, teacher Joy.
How are you today?
I
I'm fine.
am
Good.
fine.
Okay.
I'm fine.
I am fine.
Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well? What time you go to bed yesterday, last night? What time you go to bed last night?
4
4
a.m.
You,
4
you, you
five,
sleep?
I also sleep.
You sleep already at 4 o'clock?
Three. Three.
Oh, very early.
Yay.
You sleep early? That's good. Okay. Who among yesterday we did not finish with our lesson, right? We didn't finish it. That's why I let you to make it your homework. Then after for today, we will going to continue. So we will going to answer. It's still the same topic as what we have always did. We answer after you answer. We will going to answer together. So here, I would like everyone to please get your mathematics book. Mathematics book. Is it your mathematics books with you?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So everyone get it? Thank you. And please open it. Where did we stop yesterday? We are done with page 37, right? So we will go to page 38 because we are done with number 1. So let's go to number 2. I will share it to you. I will see if where is it. So here, I will share it to you my screen so that you can follow. So here, page 38. Everybody just go to page 38. Come on. And we will going to answer together as what we have always did. Did you open it already?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will going to start. Who among of you, just tell me the truth, okay? Who among of you did not understand our homework? Who among of you did not understand our homework? Just tell me the
Teacher,
truth. Yes?
I finish now.
Yeah? I am asking if who among of you did not understand about the word problem. Just tell me the truth. If you cannot understand, please tell me the truth. That's what I'm always asking you, to tell me the truth. Just teacher, I cannot understand. Please repeat. If you cannot understand, just tell me. I will not be get mad. I will keep on repeating. At least you can understand. Okay, before we answer that one, I will give you one situational way. Before we answer it again together, I will give you a situation. a word problem. Just listen, teacher. For example, I will use the name of Superwood. I will use the name of Superwood. Superwood go to 7-Eleven. Superwood go to 7-Eleven and buy cola. Buy cola worth of 30 baht. And he buy also a chips worth of 10 baht. Again, Superwood goes to 7-Eleven and buy a cola worth of 30 baht. And he also buy a chip that is 10 baht. The question now, how much did Superwood spend? How much did Superwood spend all in all? Can anyone answer me? How much?
14.
Pardon? Again?
14.
Yes, 40. Very good, Superwood. It is 40 what? 40 baht. Very good, Superwood. 40 baht. Good job, Superwood. Again, one more example. One more example. Just listen. Everybody listen, teacher. What do you call it? I will use the name of Tanapat. Tanapat, I will use your name. Tanapat have 12. Tanapat have 12 apple. Tanapat have 12 apple. But when Tanapat hungry, he ate 6 apples. How much left? Again, Tanapat have 12 apples. Again, Tanapat have 12 apples. Then when Tanapat hungry, he ate 6 apples. How much left in the refrigerator? How much left? If he ate 6 apples, he have 12, right? He have 12 apples and he ate 6 apples. How much or how many apples left in the refrigerator that was not eaten? Can anyone answer? Can anyone? I will repeat again. There are 12 apples of Tanapat. 12, right? 12, 1, 2. Then when Tanapat is hungry, he ate 6 apples. So how much or how many left in the refrigerator that was not eaten? Anyone who can answer?
3.
How much, China Chot?
3.
Apple.
Yes, very good, Tanapat. 6 apples. Very good, China Chot also. 6 apples. That's how can we analyze the sentence, the word problem. Okay, very good. I think almost all of you understand. So let's now go to our book and let's answer together again. Let's continue to answer. Okay, so here. Did you open it already on page 38?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, can anyone read number 2? Can any one of you read number 2? Who can volunteer to read? Who can volunteer to read? Okay, please don't open your microphone. Please follow teacher while I am reading. Point your finger. Lawrence reads 186 pages of a novel in 3 days. So Lawrence read 186 pages of novel in 3 days. There are 124 pages to go. So what is the total number of pages in the novel? So what are you going to use? What are you going to use? If you analyze the problem, it tells the question there is, what is the total pages in the novel? It asking that how many all in all, how many pages all in all. So what are you going to do? What sign are you going to do is you will going to use the plus symbol. So what are you going, because it has there 186 pages that he read in 3 days, then still have 124 pages left. So how many all in all? You need to add. Sorry. As what I've said last time, if you will going to add, so the formula here is this one. This is the formula. 186 plus 24. So how can you answer it to make it easy? Because if you do this one diagonally, it's more difficult. So just make it vertically to make it easy. So here, like for example, here, 186, just write 186 there, then 124 over there. So you need to align it by column. Just need to align it by column. You need to align it. It should be, China Chot, don't write anything. It should be a straight line. Just start with ones colon, then tens colon, and then go to 100 colon. Sorry. Just wait, I will drink water.
Teacher.
Yes.
310.
310. Okay, just wait. Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. So just do it in colon. So what are you going to do now? You can now easily add it. So just remember, 6 plus 4 is what? Can you tell me how much is it? 6 plus 4, that is?
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Okay, Pimpinat, you can go. 6 plus 4 is equals into 10, right? 10. So write, wait, I will make it here. That is 10, but you need to There. You need to carry the one above. You need to carry it over here. 1. You need to carry 1. Because 10, you cannot write it directly 10 there just because you need to add more above. That's why you need to write it, carry 1 over there so that you cannot forget. So now you can easily add it. 1 plus 8, that is 9, plus 2, that is 11. So again, you need to write there 1. Then after, you need to carry. You need to carry, just write 1 over there. Write 1 here. Then after, carry it again there. So you can still add 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer there is 310. Just also here, 310. Who among of you got the correct answer? The answer here also is 310. That is the correct answer. Who among of you got the correct answer?
Me.
Raise your hand. Very good. Who else? Who got the correct answer? Just tell me the truth. 310. Okay, let's go to...
I'm correct.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's go to number 3. Number 3. Let's go to number 3. Here, number 3, I will read it to you. I will read it. So here, Anong has 654 stamps. Anong have 664 stamps, right? His brother has 152 stamps. Less than Anong. Less than meaning to say lesser, a little bit less. So how many stamps does his brother have? What are we going to use? Plus or minus? Can anyone tell me? Again,
Minus.
minus. Why minus? Just because we will going to use minus it, but it was been looking there. It was been looking there. Wait. Here. It was been looking there if how many stamp they are looking, how many stamp does his brother have? How many stamp does his brother have? So you need to do minus just because it tells there Anong has 654 stamp, but his brother has 152 stamp. So what is the solution are we going to do there? Minus, as what they call this, as China Church said, it is 654 minus what? Minus 152. 152. So let's find out how can you do that one in other form so that you can answer it easily. So you will going to do it 654 minus 152. 152. 152. We need to minus it. So here we need to do it. I will put this one here so that we can easily answer. 152. So now we can easily subtract it. So how can we subtract? So what I've said, we need to do it vertically, then we can easily subtract, and do it by line. So now we can easily subtract. 4 minus 2, how much is it? 4 minus 2, that is, what is your answer? That is 2. Then 5 minus 5. If it is the same number, 5 minus 5, what is your answer?
0.
Yes, very good. 0. 0. How about 6 minus 5?
Teacher, may I go to the
5.
toilet, please?
5.
Okay. Yes, very good. It is
5.
Good job. It is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. Very good. So you need to write. So the answer is 6. Wait, I will do it another way. 652. I will write 650. I know 500. 502. So the answer there is 502, and you need to write it over there also. 5, if you finish 502, and your answer here also is, you make it a sentence. What is it? There are, what is it? How many? There are 502. Sorry. There are 502
Step.
There are 502 stamps. The brother of who? Brother of Anong. He has 500, or he had, you can use also, there are 502 stamps, or he has 502 stamps. Who got the correct answer? Any one of you who got the correct answer? Anyone else who got the correct answer? 502 stamps. Very good. Okay, let's go to number 4. Number 4. Can anyone read it? Number 4. Can anyone read number 4? Who can read number 4?
I cannot read that. What are you doing, Manfred?
Sprinkle.
What are you doing, Fred?
Okay, Nampi, can you please read number 4?
They are 400.
Chị cho hay đâu chị đùa.
Sprinkle.
I am finished. Page 33.
38.
Ôi chị แล้วเสร็จทั้งหมดแล้วนี่รอไอพินิจไอพิเกง
แล้วมันใช่เวลากินไหมน้ำพริก
โอ้ยมีทั่วพินิจไอพิเกง
Teacher น้อย
แล้วเมื่อไรเขาจะได้อ่านแดดอ่าน
ทำไมน้ำพริกไม่อ่านเลยอ่ะ
What train 170 oh no wait
Okay, again.
มันคืออะไรอ่ะพริก
No, no,
Salam,
again. Just read it. Just read it.
100 what it's so long one
So that's okay.
what?
That's okay. You can read the situation. Just read the situation, then we will answer together. That's okay. Just read it. Then after, we can read together. Come on.
ทำไมแม่ทำไมร้อนจัง The males and the rest are females. How many females are there on the airplane? Finish.
Okay, I will read it. Just listen. Just listen it. There are it's not
I'm finished now.
okay. So let's answer. There are 245. Here, I will underline so that you can follow. There are 245 passengers on airplane. How many passengers? 245. Then 127 passengers are here. 127 passengers are males, and the rest are females. So how many females are there on the plane? So they are looking if how many females are there. So again, there, I will read it again and I will let you how to analyze the situation. So there are 245 passengers in the airplane. How many passengers are there in the airplane? Can you tell me how many passengers are there in an airplane?
Minus.
Yes, we will going to use minus. So how many passengers there are? 245 passengers. And in that 245 passengers, they find out already 127 males. So we will going to find out the females. So as what Nachat tell, Pichapat, or what? As what she tell, we will going to use minus. Yes, you are correct. We are going to use minus so that we can find out how many females are there in the airplane. That's
นัชชาทุเรียน
males is given already. The male is given already. So here, what is the solution are we going to use? There are 245 passengers, right? There are 245 passengers. And she tell Pichara tell minus. We are going to use minus. Yes, it's minus. Why? Because all in all, females and males have 45. So 245 minus 127 males, and you can find it already. How many females are there in the trip? So this solution are you going to use? So let's compute it. Let's subtract it. So we will do again vertically. 245 minus 127.
180.
What is your answer?
118.
118. Okay, let's find out if your answer is correct. So here, 100. Wait, I forgot the color. Red. So let's find out what is the answer. So here, let's now try to compute 5 minus 7. Can you subtract it? This one, 5 minus 7. Can you subtract it? Yes or no? Can you subtract this one? 5 minus 7. Can you subtract it? Cannot be, right? You cannot subtract it. Why?
No, cannot.
Yes, the cannot. Why? Because the denominator is bigger compared to the numerator. So you are going to I insert it later, the health tomorrow. I will insert the health tomorrow. Okay, finish?
Yeah.
Okay, if every one of you finish, we will go to page from your workbook. We will go to your workbook. We will finish this one. We will finish the mathematics. Health, it's okay. Health, we will continue it later. I will extend it tomorrow for your health. Because we have English world, English chess, almost the same. But we need to do this one, the mathematics. Page 17 on workbook, the workbook. Your homework yesterday. Your homework yesterday. Come on. Your homework yesterday. We will going to answer this one.
I finished now.
Yeah, we will.
I'm finished.
Yes, we will check
Oh,
out if your answer.
I'm
Yes,
finished now.
yeah, you are finished, but we will going to check out if your answer is correct. Okay, let's answer now. Let's answer now on number 1. Number 1, it tells there, can't collect 255 chicken. So can't have 255 chicken eggs. And 394 duck eggs. How many eggs does Ken collect in total? So, what are we going to use? Because they are looking, the question there is looking for how many eggs total does Ken have? How many total all in all eggs? So, the formula there is we are going to use the plus. You need to do plus. So there, 255 plus 394 is equals into, what is the answer? Who can tell me what is the answer? What is the answer? 640?
649.
Yes, very good. 649. The answer is 649. So just write it over there. 649. Every box we have 649. And also here there are 649. 649 here. Can collect 649 eggs in total. So how about number 2? Number 2. There are 137 cows and 210 goats on a farm. So how many animals are there in total on the farm? So they are asking how many all in all animals are there. So what are we going to use? Plus or minus?
Plus.
Yes, very good. We are going to use plus. So what is the solution? 137 plus, because they are looking for how many all in all animals, plus 210.
347.
So what is the answer over there? So let's find out first here. We will do 137 plus 210.
347.
Yes, let's find out if your answer is correct. There, the solution is over there. Then after,
Mommy, check now.
what is it?
347.
347. Okay, so let's find out if your answer 347 is correct. Okay, so here 7 plus 0 is 7, right? 7 plus 0 is 7, right? So very good. Then 3 plus 1 is 4.
What the fuck?
Then after 2 plus 1 is 3. So your answer 347 is correct. So you So you need to write also here, there are 347 cows. There are, I know, there are 347, sorry. There are 347 animals in total in the farm. 347. There are 347. So that's how can you answer. Okay, sorry. Let's go to number 3. Number 3. We will finish this one before we say goodbye. We will not do health today. So number 3. Jenny has 365 shrimp. Jenny have 365 shrimp. Then she buys another shrimp, another 164 shrimp. So how many shrimp does Jenny have now? How many all shrimp does Jenny have? What is the solution? Plus or minus? What is the solution are we going to use? Plus or minus? Can anyone who tell me?
Plus.
Yes, very good. Plus 356 plus how many?
120.
64 is equals to what is the answer? So let's find out it again.
520.
So 356 plus 164. We will type it here. 356. Wait. 356 plus 164 here. So let's find out if your answer is Correct. So let's subtract now. I'm sorry.
ตุ้งหู
Be quiet, please.
20.
Okay, so here we will going to subtract it now so that we can find out what is the correct answer. So here 6 plus 4, that is 10. So 0, carry 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus 6 is 12. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 500. The answer
เราแจ้ง
is
จอสื่อเลย
520. The answer is 520. Your answer is 520. So how many shrimp are there? So your answer there again is there are 520 shrimps. There are 520 shrimps. There are 520 shrimps Jenny's have. Have. Okay, so you get already the correct answer there. So let's go to number 4. Number 4, we need to finish this one. Number 4. Are you finished with this? Finish?
No.
Okay, just do it.
Read it.
I finished now, teacher.
Okay, just wait for the others if you are finished.
I finished.
I finished everything on page 8. And mommy check now.
That's good.
I finished.
Okay, everyone finish?
Yes.
Who did not yet finish?
Me.
Okay, just faster. Then we will go to another page.
เห็นไม่กล้าพูดที่บอสบอกอ่ะทำไมเราจะทำแบบเรียนปิด Teacher finish.
Oh God.
The others. Who is still not yet finished?
Me. ไม่เห็นมีเลย
ออการ์ด59มันเหมือนจะวิชาคณิตศาสตร์วิชาภาษาไทยมีไฟด้วยโอ้โหเจ๊
Everyone finish? Faster.
Finish everything.
Does anyone who did not yet finish?
Teacher, finish everything.
Yeah, if you finish, keep just wait for the others because some of your classmate is not yet finished. Who did not yet finish? Raise your hand. Who did not yet finish?
Teacher, finish everything.
Okay. Pimpinan finish?
No.
What number? What number are you now?
Number 3.
Faster so that we can go to number 4.
Teacher, may I go to toilet here?
Okay, yes, you may go. Then we will answer number 4. Actually, this is your assignment. I know this one is difficult for you. That's why every time that you have an assignment, I answer it back when we go back with our class. When we have our online class, because I know it's difficult. Just tell me if you are finished number 3, Pimpinan.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Okay, you can go.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Yeah.
Hi.
Ba 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 ba.ว้าสงสัยไม่สบายมั้งน้ำพริก
โถไม่ได้สบายสักหน่อยไม่แค่จามเฉย
Finish?
ๆ
Okay. If everyone finished, let's go to number 4. Number 4. Here. Let's go to number 4. I will put it you here. So I will clear all. So let's go to number 4. Number 4, it tells there. So just listen, teacher. Number 4, there has 580 old coins in her collection. So that is total all in all coins that he has. That she has because Cindy is a girl. She gave 326. I will underline. The total of coins that he has is 580. Then she gave 326 old coins to her friend. So how many old coins does Cindy have now? So what are we going to use? Plus or minus? What are we going to use? Huh? We are going to use minus. Yes, very good. We are going to use minus. So this is the solution. 580 minus 326 is equals. So let's find out how can we compute the answer. So 580, Wait. 580 minus 326. There. Then I will going to underline so that we can find out the answer now. So here we can subtract it now. So how can you subtract? Wait. Wait for it. Here. I will make it bigger. There. So the answer over there is here. 0 minus 6. Excuse me. 0 minus 6 cannot be right. So you need to borrow to the tens place. So you cross out, put 0, and you need to borrow 1 from 8. So that is 1. And if you will borrow, you need to subtract also. So you make it a 7. So now you can subtract it. 10 minus 6, that is what? That is 4. Then 7 minus 2, it is 5. Then 5 minus 2, it is 2. So what is the answer? The answer over there is here 254. So what is the answer there? There are 254 what? Old coins left with Cindy. There are 254 old coins left with Cindy because they are with Cindy because they are asking how many she have. Or we can do it to Cindy have now. Just here. So, who have the correct answer? Is your answer correct? Is it your answer correct?
Yeah, teacher.
Is your answer correct?
Yeah.
That's good. If your answer is correct. So now let's go to number 5. Number 5, I will read it to you. Number 5, there are 634 red roses and 368 yellow roses in the garden. So how many more red roses than yellow roses are there in the garden? So what are we going to use?
Minus.
Yes, very good. We are going to use minus. So what is the solution? 634 minus 368. So how can we find out there? So we will do it again vertically so that you can subtract it easily. 634 minus 368. There. Minus 368. So we can now subtract it easily. So as we go on there, So here we need to compute it now. We can easily compute now. So here 4 minus 8 cannot be just because the denominator is bigger to the numerator. So we will going to cross out and write 4 over there. Then let's borrow 1 from 3. So if you will borrow again, you need to subtract. So that is 2. So now you can subtract it. 14 minus 8, that is 6. 7 minus 6, what is it? No, that is 2. 2. So we need to borrow again over 6. So if you will borrow, you need to subtract 1 and just add there. 17 minus 6, so how much is it? No, 12 minus 6, that is 6. And 5 minus 3, that is 2. So the answer is 200, what? 266. Then how can you make the answer? There are 266 red roses more than yellow roses in the garden.
Oh.
So that is the answer. And in number, do you understand with it? Number 5, how can you compute it? Do you understand it?
Yes.
That's good. Okay, let's go to number 6. Number 6, POM has 492 postage stamp. Then Manny has 224 postage stamp lost than Paul. So how many postage stamps does Manny have? So what is the solution again that we are going to use? What solution? What solution are we going to use? Anyone who can tell me what solution? 492 minus 220, what? 224. Why? Because it's asking there, how many postage stamps does Manny have? But it tells there, he lost 224 stamps. So it is needed, you will find out how many postage he has. So you need to subtract. Still the same solution. You need to do it vertically. 492 minus 224 minus here. So now we can subtract it. We can subtract it now. So 2 minus 4 cannot be, so we need to borrow it again. 2, 9. So with this one cross out and we write 2, 12 because we borrow, so it will become 8. So 12 minus 4, that is 8. Then 8 minus 2, that is 6. And 4 minus 2, that is 2. So the answer there is 268. 268. So how can you create in a complete sentence by answering the question there? Because it is needed. There are 268 postage stamps that many have. So that is the answer. Everyone finish?
Yes.
You get the correct answer?
Yes. Finish.
Are you sure your answer? Are you sure you are?
I'm not finished. I'm finished.
Let's wait for the others. Those who did not yet finish, let's wait for them. Let's wait for them.
I finished.
Okay. We will wait for the others. Those who did not yet finish.
I not can see.
What?
I not can see.
You cannot see?
Doctor. I'm not finished. Teacher.
Please don't write anything on our PowerPoint, please. Ranchida, capture. Don't write anything because your classmate is looking it on our PowerPoint. Don't write anything, please.
Teacher ทิ้งครูไว้บอกเด๊ะเลย
Teacher.
Yes.
Finish.
Finish.
Yes.
Who did not yet finish?
I'm not finished.
Okay, take your time. Take your time. Those who did not yet finish, take your time. Come on. Come on. Still someone's writing.
ของยายกลังซื้อของทุกวันทำไมยายก็จูตัง
เมื่อกี้ลองทดลองดูนะว่าถ้าเอามัชเมลโล่มาใส่ช่องฟิตจะเป็นยังไง
ก็แข่งโป๊กไง
ไม่รู้ นินเล่าเปล่าเป็นนิน
Everyone finish.
Yes teacher
Yes,
teacher Yes
Who did not finish? Keep quiet if you are finished because I want to hear if there is someone who is not yet finished. Tell me if someone not yet finished.
me
Okay, take your time, Picharat. Just wait for the others, please, because some of your classmates not yet finished. Do you understand our lesson, the word problem lesson?
Yeah.
Do you understand it?
Yeah.
Class, be honest, huh? If you did
Yeah.
not If you did not understand with our lesson, just tell me the truth. Tell me the truth that you cannot understand. Don't tell me always, yes, 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 I understand, but you cannot understand. Tell me the truth so that I can make it again. Remember it. Be honest. Just tell me the truth. At least I know, so that we can repeat with our lesson. If you are finished, those who are finished, you can have now your lunch. You can leave to the group now and you can have your lunch. Those who are finished. Yeah, because it's 11:30 already. I know you are hungry now. You can, if you are finished, you
I'm
can.
hungry.
Okay, if you're finished, you can leave now to our group, to our Zoom. Then you can have your lunch because later on you have your class again at 1 o'clock. Come on. If you're finished, you can leave and have your lunch now. Because I will wait. I will wait for those who did not yet finish. You
No,
can
I
have.
want to talk with August.
Why you don't like to go?
I can
I want to
talking.
talk with August. I like talking.
Have your lunch. You
I
just,
eat fun now.
I like
Teacher.
yes.
Bye bye.
Làm việc lại homework. Belly.
คุยกันก่อน
You can have your lunch. You need to do your lunch.
I eat fun now. I want to stay with my friends. Oh God,
Okay,
everything.